Hi everyone, I'm Miss Alexis from the Slidell Library, and today for our craft we are going to make some paper plate lions. So first we're going to start with the paper plate you have. So we're going to color the middle and then the outer part is going to be the mane. So we can color those two different colors. You can color them whatever color you want. I am going to use orange and yellow. So we're going to take our crayon and first we're just going to color the middle. So try to keep it in just that middle circle. Did y'all know that a group of lions is called a pride and that they can have up to 30 lions in them? So that is a big, big group. And the females will usually stay with the pride her whole life and the males may go off and live by themselves or join another pride. And the females are also the ones that do most of the hunting. I think if y'all saw The Lion King, you probably know that. The females are doing the hunting out there. So once we have our middle finished, we're going to go ahead and take a crayon, any color you want, and we're going to do the outer edge too, his mane. They're pretty big too. So lions can be 265 to 420 pounds. So they are very, very big. And it helps to go side to side when you're coloring the outer edge, because I know it has those ridges in it, so it's a little harder to color. They're really big cats, so they're considered part of the big cat family. The big cat family has the tigers and the cougars, and have the jaguars, cheetahs, and leopards. So they have a lot of big cats in that family. But the lions are one of the only ones that actually live in a big group. So once we get our outer mane done, we're going to take our scissors now and we're going to cut like every so often. There's not really, maybe every 3 of the ridges, but there's not really a pattern you should have. You can cut however many you want. And you just keep cutting around. See how we're doing that? And it's gonna fan out like this. So we're gonna keep cutting. And you don't wanna go too far down. Maybe like halfway, about like that. That's how far down you wanna go. Keep cutting. Yeah, who saw the first or Lion King? Or has anybody seen the new one, the remake of it? I really like those movies. They have good songs too. Very good songs. And if you want to fluff them out every now and then, you can. I'm gonna keep going. Seems like he's gonna have a big mane. Remember, not too much. Go. All right, now we have all of his mane cut around. So you can kind of fluff it out. Separate it a little bit, make his mane all nice and fluffy. All right, so now we have his head finished. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take, you can do any color crayon you want, or a marker if you're working with markers. And we're gonna draw a little heart shape in the center of the plate. Draw that little heart, and that's gonna be his nose right here. So go ahead and we'll color your heart in, and then we're gonna make him a happy lion. So we're gonna draw one line here, one line there, and then we're gonna draw one on the other side. So he has a pretty smile on him. We don't want him to look too scary. But if you want him to look scary, you can always give him a scary face. So after that, you're gonna take your yarn, and this is going to be for his whiskers. So kind of cut out a couple of strips, just kind of estimate. You're going to need 6 of these, so kind of estimate, and they don't have to be exact. Just keep cutting. Yeah, what is y'all's favorite character in The Lion King? I kind of like Timon and Pumbaa. They're really funny. All right, so now we have our whiskers. So it needs to be trimmed a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna separate those and we're gonna put 3 on each side. So you can go ahead and put, and you can use a glue stick too with this. I just happen to have glue. So we're gonna put 3 lines of glue on your glue stick right there, and then 3 on the other side. Next, you're gonna take your whiskers and you're gonna glue them right on here. So glue them right on your glue, and it should be, and if you need to trim them, you can always trim them. I know one of mine is a little long. And that's gonna be for his whiskers. And the male lions have that big mane. They have a really big mane. They have a really loud roar too. So that's his whiskers. And for the last thing, you're gonna take the 2 eyes and put like a little bit of glue, put his eyes on up at the top. And if you wanna name him, absolutely go ahead and name him. So now you have your lion, your paper plate lion. Good job. Well, thank y'all so much for listening today. And if you haven't already signed up for summer reading, you can do that online, or if you want to come down to the library, we'd love to see you. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.